I am telling you from my own personal experience. We have just celebrated as a family, our 50th anniversary as a family in business. We started behind the 8 ball, way behind the 8 ball, on borrowed money. But, as we are told in the 133rd Psalm, behold, how blessed it is when brothers dwell in unity. And I'm one of 9 brothers and a sister. And we dwelt in unity. I left home at the age of 17 to come to America and returned only for contacts with the family. But it's been now 49 years since I left my home. Those who left came only for educational purposes, and after they were educated, they returned to Barbados, and the close-knit family of brothers just celebrated the 50th anniversary. And it really is the most fantastic, successful story in a little tiny place like the West Indies. I will not mention money, the quantities of it, but when you have a business and you double your stock and then double your stock and double your stock and still pay on all the doubling of stock 20% at the end of the year to the stockholders, you are in business. We are satisfied here if we get 6%. Any company here who is offering 8%, you'll find it gobbled up tomorrow morning. And it's all owned by our family. We have not gone public. And we pay our individual members, and I happen to be one of them, drawing the same amount as those who actually there, but I am one with them, and they know it. I am one in spirit, that's the only reality. So I get my 20% too, of the stock my father gave me. And he gave me every share that he gave them. We all shared equally when he departed this world. In fact, he gave it in 1939 and lived until 1959. He was so confident that if he ever needed it, we would give it all back to him. But he gave it because by law in the Indies, a man must outlive his gift by 5 years to avoid taxation. And so in 39, when the war broke in Europe, not knowing the outcome, he gave to his 9 sons and his 1 daughter equal shares of everything he had, and then outlived it by 20 years. But he knew he would never want, because every one of us would put the whole thing right back into his hands if he wanted it.